Hi, Jamie. Can you hear me?
As I said, we tested it, but it's just.
Hi, yes, can you hear me?
Okay, great.
I'm doing this on my
I
phone.
can hear you.
Okay,
nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, let me turn my video on. It's be a bit more social.
Okay. Hi.
Yeah, hello.
Maybe you are in our office, right?
Yes.
I'm at work also. So let me share my screen.
Yes, please.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen. Yep.
Okay. So this is our main template, right?
No, so the one I sent you is the main one, the dashboard.
This one.
Well, you know that's kind of what we need to recreate. Yes.
Okay.
That's the one we need to recreate. Yeah.
We already made this graphics. Now just we have some confusion. We just need to be clear.
Oh no, there we go. So you've done it. Look, the it's like the grey background color. That's it.
I already apply here a gray background color here and here also. You can see, maybe we can see there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I can see the colors. Yep. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. So now you just let me know what you need to change or what you want to apply there. Okay.
So there should be a text box at the top that says dashboard in nice bold.
Can you see now?
Yeah, I can see now.
This is that document which you sent me.
Yes. See, it says dashboard at the top.
Okay. So the matrix here is our website.
Yeah, no. Scroll up. Go to the top. No, to the top. There. This is what I need creating, and can you see it says dashboard at the top? There, dashboard.
Yes, this is that dashboard.
Yeah, but it's the text. The text is missing, isn't it?
Okay, let me check again my dashboard which we made.
Yep.
Yes. Something is missing there. Okay.
It's just copied the wrong wording.
We will fix that all font. Don't worry about that. Okay.
Okay, that's fine. But can you see it says cabinets connected? That's what needs to go onto your picture. Your picture says websites. See here, it says website. That's wrong. That needs to say cabinets, like it does in the one I sent you.
Maybe you can see my screen slowly, a little bit slow.
Oh, okay. Yeah, a bit of lag.
That's why maybe. Okay. Can you see my screen? Dashboard.
I could. Yeah, I'm looking at the dashboard now with all the blue. Yeah.
Okay. So this is our main dashboard.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, I'm going to put here our dashboard right in D.
Okay. Yep.
Okay, we'll match this font later. We just need to be clear others thing. Okay. Do you have to change anything there?
Yeah, so the title, website product delivery.
Okay, website portal delivery.
It needs to be the same as the picture I sent you, yeah?
Yes, website portal delivery. This one should be here. Okay. Now check the other things.
Yeah.
Yes.
Can you see on the top right of the bar chart, it says contractor with a blue circle? Just delete that. Just the blue circle and contractor. Down. Just stop.
Contractor.
Yeah, that. Just delete that. Just delete.
Okay. Delete.
Not needed. Okay. And then you know the shape on the left hand side that goes on the left. Can you see it's blue? Could you turn that to the same background color as the white that you've got in the others? Because then that would look quite nice.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. Some of the squares aren't the same size either. Can you see the project contractor region? It's just a bit, the squares are not the same size.
Yeah, all are same size here. Those,
can you see on the right? Can you see they're not the same length? They're different shapes, different.
Yes. It's a little bit different.
Okay, could you just tidy them up then? Is that okay? And just make them the same size?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, thank you. And then the last thing I just noticed, could the pie charts be the same colors I sent you? Because I like the different colors that are displayed.
Same color. The same color should be here.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Okay. Do you want to delete this square, please? If you want, I can delete it. I can see here there is no square.
There is no what color?
In our main template.
Yep.
There is no border here.
Oh, no, I like how you've done it now. So that's fine now with, the black borders. Okay. That's fine. That's fine.
So all border should be same, right?
It all needs to be the same font. Yeah, same font, but the box is the same size. Yes, please. I like the bold. You've got the titles bold. That's fine. That's fine.
Okay.
I think it's just the colors of the pie chart, just to be the same as the ones I sent you.
I'll change. No problem.
Oh, don't worry. Can you see it says websites on the left-hand side of the bar chart as well? That just needs to be cabinet, please. Yeah, that's it. Just there on the axis, just down on the left, it says websites. There we go. That just needs to be cabinet.
Okay, cabinet.
Where it says dashboard view, that's it. They're just not center. Could you just make them center in the boxes and then that looks smart? There we go. Yeah, perfect. Okay. And I think that the color of cabinets connected, that needs to be the same blue color in the circle as the
one more thing. This box color is okay.
Yeah, that's can you make it the same color as the bars? No, that's too dark. It has to be the same light blue as the bars.
Light blue, okay.
Yeah, there we go. That'll do.
Okay, now check. I'll change all of pie chart color. Don't worry.
Okay, and then just make sure that the texts are all the same font, and then I think that's okay. I think that's everything.
Okay.
What's the number in maybe just change the word dashboard to be a bit more similar to what I've sent you. But look, apart from that, everything looks fine.
Okay. Do you want to place here that's logo?
No, don't worry, because it's not gonna fit. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Not a problem.
So maybe we are done. Give me a couple of minutes. I'll send you. I'll make the delivery. Before the delivery, I'll send you a sample to check you. Okay.
If you could just find a font that is the same as the examples I've sent you in the screenshots, that'd be perfect. The most similar font that you can find would be great.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank
Have a nice day.
Great cooperation. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.